Get ready to discover a revolution in hygienic tank cleaning. Introducing Alfa Laval PlusClean cleaning nozzle. In the food, dairy, beverage, pharma and personal care industries, sufficient tank cleaning can be a challenge with certain products. It's not just about the tank walls. Internals like agitators, connections and coils can create shadow areas with high risk of product contamination. Until now, trying to solve this has meant techniques like spray balls, retractable cleaning devices or the fill and dump method. These consume time, significant cleaning media and energy, and they compromise hygienic safety. Alfa Laval PlusClean makes this challenge a thing of the past. This new cleaning nozzle ensures 100% cleaning coverage even in shadow areas. Installed flush with the tank wall, it doesn't interfere with other internals in the tank and can even be used in tanks with components close to the walls. Activated during cleaning in place, PlusClean reduces water and chemical consumption with up to 80% and delivers a spray pattern optimized to cover shadow areas. It thereby guarantees 100% cleaning coverage regardless of your specific tank design. While a revolutionary built-in adjustment function makes installation and operation effective and easy. PlusClean is available with a pneumatic-driven option that can be combined with Alfa Laval ThinkTop for intelligent control. It also comes in an ultra-pure version with the comprehensive Alfa Laval QDoc documentation package. With 100% cleaning coverage, the Alfa Laval PlusClean cleaning nozzle eliminates risk while reducing water and cleaning media consumption. It's easy to install, simple to use, and delivers rapid payback time. A revolution in hygienic technology has arrived. It's time to ask, just how clean is your tank?